It's Saturday.
Saturday.
I said Sunday.
I said Sunday? Well, it seemed like Sunday. It's Saturday.
Might have to stop alongside the road.
What?
I know. Unfortunately, I got to sit in the chair. It's a long way.
A whole bunch here.
Watch Bailey getting up. Calling around. Straightens her knees. Put both hands on the floor.
To get Quinn there. So it's interesting how fast they change. There. Oh, that's a lot better. Yeah.
Bill, thank you. We got dinner with the boys tonight. So.
Everybody ducking out of sight.
Carrot cake, would you?
No, that's
Green, nothing left to take.
I better not. I've had too much.
Kind of still eating.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, stomach. Probably ate too much. I don't know. What's wrong?
I need something cover. Comfort. Well, looking. Oh, there's a few more. There, I got them. Didn't get Bailey though yet. Bailey? Bailey? Hi, Bailey. Hi. Hi there. Boy, that's a good one. What? Wait a minute, I want to take a picture of Mary Kate. Sandy, she's sick.
Shannon went to Pittsburgh State.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, there.
Went down there. Well, there was Fingerelli boys. They went to school here too. And they were on football. They were just small ones.
Oh, yeah.
They were like
They were big here.
42,
Oh, yeah.
60. Yeah, they were huge here in high school.
All right. Oh, yeah. Up the Arizona girl. I'll bet you're not used to this, are you? Although, Dad, come to Vegas.
Oh my.
Yeah, it's really dark.
Bailey? Bailey? Bailey, did you say something? Did you laugh?
Say hi, Papa. Say hi, Papa.
Hi.
Say hi, Papa.
Frog in that cartoon.
Snooty.
What was it?
Oh, well.
This is the Christmas of 2008. 7 o'clock and everybody just now getting there. Let's see.
You gotta put the battery in the charger.
Where are you going?
It's in the case.
Go see those kids. You're getting blue sparkles. Your mommy is playing.
Is that light on?
Bailey.
Yeah, it's on, but.
Okay, where are we going?
Did Tanya bring shoes for her?
Yeah, I'm kidding.
Sally?
Might be better. Bailey, look at this puppy.
Sally? We'll get you in there.
Where?
About to take a picture of you.
Cutting my jeans or cutting my face?
I don't know what's worse.
Jim still cooking?
Pam's still cooking.
There's Tommy Sue.
Where's that whiskey? Is it the one that we had last time? Alright.
Very similar. I told him I had it with me and we'll bring it.
What do you want?
Hi, ready?
Get Bailey.
Bailey.
Bailey Boopy.
Step on her tail. Come on, baby. Oh, you made her cry.
Brad, how come my red light's on yet?
Because I was recording it.
Ready, set, cheeseburger. Hey, baby. Baby,
Act like you're picking and a grinning. That is some of the offspring to this bunch tonight. Right there.
Hey, just turn her around.
Face, make a funny face. Ready, set, go. Everybody do it? You should do it? Alright, now nice one.
You got a funny looking face already. We're alright.
Let's bring a snap in.
Just smile.
That's a Cohane from over in Indianola. Malloy now, I guess.
Go.
There's
Make a wedding one they did a
four nuts if you ever seen one right there.
Alright, now you ready for regular one? Taylor, yeah? Everybody?
You want to sit up?
Oh, that's nice.
Amanda, drop your shoulder, Taylor.
They're going for her around.
Yep, good call.
That was a big and.
You got a phone call. Nope.
For the wedding.
Hang up. I'm busy.
Cheesecake on 3. He got you. You guys eat this. Together real quick.
Right there, I'll put down there. I'm done.
Man, this regional rap.
Brad, you're supposed to smile. There. You want to show your scar?
Alright.
Look over this way now. There you go. He's the last of the Mohegans.
Screw you.
Hey.
Now look over here.
Yeah.
Oh, Bailey, you want your cheese?
Was on the back.
Number 2. No big deal. No big deal.
Help her there.
Okay, open the gap.
Look there.
Which one is it?
Alright.
Oh.
Get your camera. Everybody get your camera.
I got her running. Bailey's opened the first gift tonight. She's number 1.
Alright.
What is it?
You're pretty good at that. Alright.
What's she doing? She's like, I just hit
She's focused on the
paper.
Careful.
I forgot her name.
Oh boy.
How pretty.
Wow, what is that? Barbie car?
Hey.
Look at that.
There, go there.
Pretty Bailey. Nobody loves her. It's just a sad thing.
Poor child.
So unwanted. God, she's so disfortunate.
Get it out of that box.
Get it out of the box so she can ride it. Of course, she goes down.
She's gonna fall asleep on it.
She's so deprived.
Thank you, Brad.
Yeah,
Look at that.
Bailey.
Thank you.
All right.
Pretty.
Take it out of the box, Dad.
Oh.
There's the receipt. In
Oh.
case you would want to.
No, I don't think she's pretty happy.
There's some makeup.
She took my chapstick yesterday, and I'd only put it on once and she had a cap on it.
Get on there. There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
Just leave it in the box.
She knew exactly what that was.
Well, what is that?
And just wheeling that knife right around like no big deal.
Carving that up. Does she have a horn?
And all you need is 27 D batteries.
Try it.
Lithium.
What's this?
Oh.
Mom, why don't you guys let Bailey figure it out?
Bailey has a better chance to figure this out than you.
Oh my.
You just sit there, we'll open it. Don't worry about it.
Hey, Dad, get that box off of
Here you go, man. Tied under the box.
Got my wheels shocked. Drive it up, Dad.
Play spread
Bring me a beer, baby.
Come on, Bailey.
I'll take what I do, but yeah. Well, she's got part of it figured out.
I thought maybe it was getting away from her. Can't wrap that one. I think I got three.
There you go.
She gets two
Okay.
kids?
Brienne, there's
Right,
that
what
one
about
wall that
20
she has under the tree that has the green bow.
Yeah, it's right there, holding the limb up.
Tree, but everyone likes to have a tree ceremony after the gift. Charlie Brown
Our
here.
4th of July bonfire is out, isn't it?
What is it? All right.
Hey, Bobby.
Sorry, Buck.
Dan, or you can steal from.
It's too wordy.
Brad.
No, that's right.
I can steal from anybody.
Okay,
Wide
go for
open.
it.
Stand on that sack looking at them.
All right, lotto cards.
Oh, that's a good one.
I'm scratching them now.
Yeah, scratch them now. Then.
That's what I was giving her hell for. That's what we should get. We got a bunch of them.
Sam.
How many times can you steal? Twice or once?
Give me.
Who did that? That was smart.
The red one then, with the Santas. Or no, that'll be fine.
Or no, wait a minute, that'll be fine.
I just want to apologize to every time I get.
Trying to get everybody's picture tonight.
Yeah,
What are you playing?
we better go play there. So I kind of like watching games from the sidelines now. I've gotten so used to it.
People are nice down there.
There's like people, I'm with a lot of old people, like I'm kind of in like where all the Ubers are at. And they're always really nice, and but they drive really slow, so.
Yeah.
But there's places where people are kind of.
Okay.
Got it?
The gifts have all been opened, and so Christmas Eve of 2008 is almost open, over with, and there's all the goodies left.
But my brother called this morning, he said, I sent out 68 Christmas cards, addressed every one of them myself. And I said, well, I just sent a few, like to you and my other brother and just a few. He said, well, you probably don't know as many people as I do. I said, oh, I know a lot of people, but I didn't know where to click. Got around. Yeah.
This is the Christmas of 208, and the Christmas Day up Todd and Nancy's, and the boys, and then in Diane and Aunt Ellen's here.
Picture in a star. Oh my God. In an ornament sign, are we making ourselves into ornaments now? Yeah. Or morphine into.
How many quilts a winter do you guys do?
You know what, we haven't. Yeah, but we haven't quilted for at least 2 years now. Well, last winter, it took the whole winter to do this quilt. Because people, but it was a booger.
Oh, I'll bet.
I told you what I called it, didn't I?
No, I called it the quilt from hell.
Oh,
I caught that.
oh, how clever.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, because it was paid. So little paid.
But you used up a lot of little pieces that way.
No.
You didn't do it to use up little pieces.
No, I bought.
All over the country buying fabric.
Yeah, I actually ended up using, what do they call it, batiks.
Sure.
But it didn't turn out exactly like I wanted it to, because batik is real bad about one place it's one color, but in another different place in the
It said
fabric,
the
it's a different
end of
color.
the frame with the metal rods needs to be on the left end.
Go ahead and do this one.
And then her grabber fabric is basted on, she uses it for different quilts as long as she can, and it's basted on with a great
Staple.
big,
Reminds me, we went to find our
machine
staple gun
stitch.
for something. Couldn't find it.
and
We
then
don't know who we loaned it to.
the junction, the
It's not
seam
there
between
anymore.
the edge of the quilt and the grabber fabric
Oh, you don't want
is
that.
placed right along the edge, inside edge of this roller bar.
Keep it.
Oh, and Jerry reminded us to line the center of the quilt up with the center of the roller bar. And they just use a stapler gun and all that.
Yeah. Well, I think everything you do is what you do.
I like her little center here. It's pretty.
It's gonna be, it looks so ugly with that pencil. And it'll stretch as you work it, you keep tightening it.
Because these, where it's wrapped around the rods,
Oh.
it's spongy there, and it stretcher, the four 1x4s, and put it out. First put on the backing, and then
I think that's what you quilt on, isn't it? Is
Yeah.
1x4s?
I did.
And then
Yeah.
put the top over the sandwich, and then basted it.
And get a good square and all of that. We do that on a stretcher roll.
It's basted here.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it, but it is.
Oh, I see where it is.
And then that holds it till you get it in this.
Then I just take a piece of scrap fabric and a pin, and pin it here, and bring it around this, and then pin it here, to kind of pull this way,
Kind
both
of
on
a
both
little
ends.
tighter.
Yeah, to keep it
Yeah.
stretched lengthwise.
And I go do that, but I don't seem to have another piece of fabric right at the moment. I'll have to see if I can find one. Well, I mean, I will find one.
With them.
Is it a Kino bar?
Yeah, it's a Kino. Oh, okay. But they have all kinds of fish.
Sally's cousin's dinner at Lebanon.
How you doing? Glad basketball season's over?
This is Mother's Day 2009. It's about 11:30 in the morning, and look at all the wine bottles. Cook's getting drunk, and we ain't even got to eat yet. This is the cook that's getting drunk. Oh man. There's Grandma getting loaded. Read. There we go. BJ. There we go.
Happy Mother's Day.
I tell you what, there's a lot of happy mothers here. This is our first family gathering over at the Hidden Valley Ranch. That's Jim's William area out there in the big garden. This is our dinner thing burning up.
Oh, there's some good air.
Oh, it ain't burning, it's just the damn juice.
In the wrong place. Juice out of place.
The cook got on the wine. Where are we?
I was worried about it drying out.
It's Andy on the floor, Eddie. Here's the fire alarm.
But he still tells me how to drive.
This is our Memorial Day picnic 2009.
What you put on there now for weight? Put landscaping blocks.
Steve. There we go.
He's gotten stuck so many times.
Steve and Milano's here.
One of those old hand weights or whatever those are. What are those old ones?
Bailey just got up.
Wait, what did you have on?
Those have a grain cleaner.
A grain cleaner?
Or a grain scale.
Now lately he's got a landscaping block. I'll leave it with,
Yes, his rock I picked up out of our yard.
I'll bet.
I dug around that sucker.
Okay.
I tried to move it by myself today. It won't not. That sucker weighs.
Yeah, that's when you put the
Think I can turn this around and take a picture of myself? Huh?
Are you talking to me?
Think I can turn around and get a picture of myself? Now I got everybody.
Bailey.
on,
That's what my dog did.
Hey Bailey,
You
you
okay?
put the necklace on? Put that on too. You put it on?
You better go get some earrings, Nancy.
Let's see. Here we go. Okay, come here. What's on your neck?
She was turned around. Dan getting ready to go in and saw some logs off in this big bad fire.
Brad, you got those out?
I got some out of store, but we only have 3 packages.
I had 2 packages.
Yeah, somebody got in the fridge and got all of them.
No,
There's
we're
only
lacking
3
some.
packages here.
We're lacking some.
Where are they?
Look in that cooler there. Are any in there?
You better check on Jim because he was in tater salad a while ago.
Because if we have any casualties, there won't be enough.
You brought 2 packages?
There's always casualties.
Yeah, and I'm okay with just beans.
I got
Believe
2
me. I can do beans.
ballparks.
So yours aren't here. Where are the plumbers, you guys?
I don't know.
Cody,
You
when
don't
I
know?
put them in the fridge, give them to you to put in the fridge, where'd you put them?
In the fridge. Well, I'll go look.
In the fridge.
Send Jim up there.
Skanky doo.
Remember, that's her ball. Don't run it.
Look, we're gonna fall down.
It's not round anymore. It's now oblong from those big boys kicking it.
Skanky doo.
And in the afternoon, underneath the moon. Oh!
Everything you get in and make our own way.
This is Bailey's 2-year-old bird.
Can't get much of it off of there. It's so set up, isn't it? Here, go ahead. That, right. Sally's heading away.
Sally's heading away.
Okay, so we like kennel? Here comes kennel. Here we go. Yeah, that's it. You know, when she likes kennel, blow it out, okay? It's red eye. Get rid of it. We're going to sing happy birthday. Probably the Brad story they gave me. I have yet to
Happy birthday to Bailey. Happy birthday to you.
You know what she is?
I really tickled her, didn't
Did you get that?
I really tickled her, didn't it? She blowed that out.
What a night. It looks like you're going to smile. Danny or Todd should be better. Oh.
How you get along, man?
I think she likes frosting and coffee on it. Look,
That's a good one. Bailey, there's
it's
your
a
card.
very clean cake. The other way. No, I don't think it'll hold up unless it had dry ice. I don't think it's got clean. Yeah. deeper, aren't we?
Hi, Bailey.
Bailey, look at Papa. Over here. Wave at Papa. Wave at him. No, we can have time, man. We're concentrating on here. Okay,
I don't think she needs a piece for a long time.
Hope you don't mind a finger in there. Your dad have some?
I'll have the massacred one.
Ready to move it in? It's chocolate ice cream. Chocolate and crunchy in the middle.
Yeah, thanks very much. That's a good way out. It's out west of that. Sorry about that.
Coming down now.
It doesn't look good.
Yeah, that's a good song.
Whoa.
That's a talking card that Nancy gave her. She can't get over it.
I need one of them.
I got this running right now.
Pull it. There you go. Right.
I'm going to have to try it.
Not a very big crowd in here tonight.
No.
I thought there would be.
There we go. What is it?
Gosh, what is it? Oh, wow.
Oh, boy. What is it? There's zipper? Right there.
Mississippi River.
Oh, yes, I sure will.
Oh, my goodness.
I am in love with her.
Isn't that neat?
I did on all of them. I had three girlfriends, all in a different school, and I got caught.
Annie or Aunt Ellen. What do you
How awesome, Bailey. Wow. That's a lion. She'll like that.
Is that from here, Sydney?
What is that?
That might be the one we like so well. That little gal here is going to college. We really like it.
Oh, my goodness.
She's worked here since she's like 7th grade or so.
I need to get up.
Open this, she said. Open this.
Sorry, we had to clear a path.
I didn't wait my bill and drive out there. I was afraid of that.
I knew that. You want to open it? She's like, where'd I open it? Oh my, what is it?
Oh, my.
Something to wear. What is it?
Is that from you, Mom? All right. Bib over.
You can go toward it.
She's like, I want those. I like them.
You want to put them on? You want Van Ellen to put them on?
Yeah, have her come over. Bailey, bring them over here. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Which one, everyone? Like that. Good. Good.
I found out one thing.
Roll around the floor with. It's soft.
What is it? I wondered about that when I pulled them out. I hope they're ones that are dry or dry.
Hi, lamb. You here?
I saw it about 3 months ago at Yonkers, and they had different animals. It's just a big old pillow to loll around, but I don't know what brand. It was so cute.
You like those?
The lamb. Come on, Jenny.
She's talking to it.
Come on, Bailey.
Oh, you're funny.
Come here. Here. Up here.
You are so funny.
She's got her cowboy boots.
She's ready.
I think that made her night, didn't it?
She likes that.
Yeah.
I thought she might like that. I like it. Heck, it's nice to hug.
Wow.
It's a little land.
Look at her hamming it up.
Wave at me.
Wave at Papa.
Wave at Papa.
Wave at him.
Wave at it.
Wave at his camera right here. Taking a
Wave at it.
picture.
Wave at Papa.
There
Over
you
here.
go.
There you go.
Ah, she's like birthday.
Thank you. Hi there. This is August 15th. Huh? 2009. Bailey sweeping the shop floor. Got her bibbers on, her cowboy boots. Grandma, go lift up her cowboy boots so we can see them. She's sweeping the floor for us. Bailey, pull up your pant legs so we can see your boots. Let's see your boots. Boy, them good ones.
Nice boots, aren't they? You about done? No. You're not. How much longer are you going to sweep? Huh? Are you about done? No.
All those who volunteer their time.
What time was it? 5:15?
This is August the 19th of '09. This hail started at 13 minutes after 5 in the evening. This is our second one.
Yeah, he brought me, he lives in Lancaster. I was down there with my brother for 3 days. Anyway, I was up at the Mountaineer at Lancaster, and he bought my dinner for me. Yesterday and the day before.
Lancaster, Kansas?
Huh?
Missouri. Oh, Missouri?
Yeah,
Oh.
Missouri.
Is he remarried?
Yeah.
Some have a family?
No, just the two that she had.
Some surgery,
Yeah. Anyway, yeah.
What's the date?
His son looks just like him.
June 7th.
Uh-huh. Yeah, he.
I get on this thing and then I don't know what. July 4th, 2008. We're having a little picnic here in Reed's Got Molly catching frisbee here just soon as.
6:37. Here you go, Molly. 6:38. We can't get her to move. She's tired.
That ain't a very good picture so far. Yeah, hey, that's a good one.
You get it?
That, you got two of them.
She jumped in that one.
We might drop.
That was a little high. Good girl, Molly. Look at her. Oh, you got her, Amy. Catch it.
Hey, Molly.
Hey, Molly.
Hey, you're gonna pick up that cup, ain't you?
A bunch of mine last night, but I forgot them. They're in the back of my fridge. I was hoping somebody'd see them.
Well, those aren't picked out.
I know. That's why I want them to have them.
But I took you a package of picked.
Oh, you don't want to sit and pick them out? I'd love to do
Well,
that.
yeah, but we're talking about a gallon
Bottle
and a
it for
half.
days.
Okay, I'd love to do it.
Well, you
I
should
do.
have these. When you stop to get your sunglasses, take some time.
He likes to sit and do it all the time. I hate to.
Oh, it bother me a bit.
I picked for I don't know how many days.
Must be the details.
No, they have the natives and they have the big paper shell. Well, he sent me some paper shells. Then he also so don't let me forget to send a package home with you.
Before you be looking that way.
Oh, I don't want to take a picture.
I think it's because he's messing with her whole bunch. He's not usually like
There's something to
that.
read
So
there.
how do I take a picture?
Look, say something to her, Reed. Say something to Molly.
Hi.
Now it's recording.
Do you want to take a picture?
I can do it on my computer. Stop it where I want to. See.
Yeah, I know. That's why I told him just record it because I knew you could do that.
Start.
Now that'd be a good picture. See. That's what I wanted my dog to do.
It's going to be
Molly,
great tonight.
Molly.
we'll
Emma
try it
doing?
again.
She's like in
Come
trance.
on over here.
Look, Daisy.
Here.
Can't hold her eyes open.
Over here.
Watch this.
So turn around, sit down.
Watch. Oh, there she
Turn
goes.
around. Here. Come over here.
I'm with you.
Yeah.
Same level.
Oh, God damn.
She's like,
That'd really
but
be a good
the way she
picture.
sits is so relaxed.
it'd
It's
be
so
all right.
Just flops and
Yeah.
Got a long body.
crawl up on his lap, Molly.
Oh, she wants her toy.